Welcome back for another Bug of the Month segment. This time we are looking at May beetles, or June bugs, as a lot of folks call them, but this is the May segment because this is when they start to turn up around people's porch lights, usually that is a June beetle. And June beetles are common all across the United States and all across the world. They're a huge, huge group of insects, and they may show up anytime in the summer, not just May or June. And these are the adults of the white grubs that you will find in the soil whenever you're in your garden digging around. And the correlation there that we want to make is that if you're seeing a lot of May beetles or June beetles flying around your porch lights in the back or in the front, you want to know that those are the adults of the larvae, the white grubs in the soil that are eating the roots of your grass and causing some damage. And so the best way to solve that would be to turn off the porch lights at night until they're really all and thoroughly gone by the end of the summer.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.